Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to put a quick in-depth comparison between these two CRM tools called HubSpot and Instantly. So here's a breakdown. HubSpot CRM is a full-featured all-in-one customer relationship platform that tracks contact, deals, emails, and sales pipelines while trying in marketing and support tools. It helps teams organize lead, automate follow-ups, and measure performance all in one place, making it a strong choice for business that wants growth tools and reporting as they scale. Instantly, on the other hand, focus mainly on cold email outreach and lead engagement rather than full CRM function. It helps you send personalized email sequence at scale, track replies, and sync with basic contact list ideas if your priority is email outreach and response generation. However, it doesn't offer the broader pipeline tracking, customer support tools, or deep reporting you get with HubSpot. So my opinion, HubSpot is the best as a true CRM for managing the full customer lifestyle or life cycle, while Instant CRM is best if your main goal is automated cold email outreach. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more comparison review. And that's it.